Hi, so we're going to do some maintenance cleaning for our thermoreceipt printer's print head. So this is our thermal cleaning pen using isopropyl alcohol to remove any ink mark on our print head. So we use this to blow any dust that's accumulated or collected in between the corners of our printer. We do suggest to do this at least once a month to remove any collected dust in between other components of our printer. So now we use the thermal cleaning pen to wipe our clean head. We do this to remove any additional ink left in our print head. In long run, if we do not clean, it might cause printing issues. So there we're done.